Two-tiered spice storage. Features a stylish two-tiered revolving design and includes a convenient carry handle for ease of use while cooking. Pre-filled spice jars. Comes with pre-filled glass spice jars. Spice assortment may vary but can include basil, thyme, parsley, marjoram, garlic salt, coriander, rosemary, oregano, and more. Free spice refills for 5 years. Eligible for 5 years of free spice refills of your choice. See packaging for more details. Sealed for freshness in the U.S.A. All spices and spice jars are filled and sealed for freshness in Kamenstein's own facility in Winchendon, Massachusetts, USA. Quickly find spices. For quick and easy identification of contents inside, spice jars feature sifter tops for light seasoning that can also be removed if measuring is needed. This 16-jar Ellington spice rack by Kamenstein keeps spices within easy reach while saving valuable counter space. Display your spices attractively and emphasize a gourmet look and feel in your kitchen. This spice rack includes 16 glass jars with chrome sift and pour caps for easy spice dispensing. The spice rack's design is highlighted by a combination of black abs and chrome, with a convenient carry handle. This product is eligible for 5 years of free spice refills for all of the spices that come with your spice rack. Top reviews from the United States. 100% worth it. It's a great-looking spice rack. Very stylish. Not the sturdiest spice rack, in fact it's flimsy, cheaply made, but for the price, no complaints. If the spice rack is treated gently and with care, I suspect it could last for a while. The variety and amount of spices included with this rack makes this product a huge bargain. If I were to buy the spices individually with refills over the next 5 years, it would cost me way more than the spices included with this rack. Plus I don't have to go through the effort of buying a bunch of different spices. Even if the spice rack were to break, I'd still feel this was a good buy just for the spices. That said, it looks nice and I hope it holds up for a while. This is a no-brainer. An excellent choice.